Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Doris Etito and I make videos from Warri City, Delta State, Nigeria. If you are seeing my lovely and pretty face for the first time, you are graciously welcome to the channel. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? Please, right now, if you don't mind, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so you get instant updates whenever I upload a new video, and like my videos, share them, leave comments. I would like to hear and interact with you. And thank you also returning subscribers. Okay? Today's video is a mini market vlog. There is this market called Market Road in Warri City, Delta State, Nigeria. The market is along the road that leads to other markets like Main Market, Wesu Market, Obijo Market, and Makaiva Market. I don't know why the market is called Market Road, but if you do, let me know in the comment section why this market is called Market Road in Warri City, Delta State, Nigeria. I'm going to the market to buy some seafood and other food stuff to make soup for my family. Please come with me. Let's go to the market. So I'm at the market, and this market is called Market Road in Warri, Delta State, Nigeria. At this market, you find lots of fresh seafoods like perewinkles, crab, clam, also called beku in Warri, Delta State, snails, shrimps, fish, both river and pond type, and other Nigerian local food items. I'm here to buy a few things and decided to give you a sneak peek of what you can buy at the market. Do enjoy the vlog.
How much? Say one pound and 3 on the map. How much you say?
1 pound 3
Yeah, give me 3 pack. 3 pack will not be how much?
Let's say 3 pounds.
Let's say 3 pack. Yeah, give me now. Wow.
That's not finished.
Yeah, that's not. Okay. Start give me this one. I think you did Ama, you give me big one though. Huh? No. Now those ones are small ones.
When you chop finish for night, take 1 shot of room lime.
I know one same they don't back out.
I go pour for you.
Everybody they find hands.
That's so.
Hands dive in the jar. We go make the banga plate.
That's yummy.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
This one I wish on agric.
This is edible worm, also called maggot. It is very tasty when combined with tapioca, also called gari in Warri. It's a very tasty street food in Warri. It is so delicious. Let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried edible worm. It is eaten raw as well. These ones are cooked and ready to eat. So I'm on my way home and I just can't wait to get home before I start eating the edible one, also called maggots. They taste so delicious and I'm enjoying it with kpokpo garri, also called tapioca. Kpokpo garri and edible one. It's a good combination, okay? It's so tasty. Alright, let me enjoy this in peace and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching and don't forget to please subscribe to my channel. Like my video, share, leave comments, okay? I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.